here we are, it's the 30th of May 2009 and something unheard of has happened. Just look at that rain. We're in this Meganisi thunderstorms. You can probably hear the thunder above, and it is absolutely pouring it down. We've only got 10 knots of wind, so it's not too bad. But lots of boats are, I don't know if you can see that, right over there. They're driving around in circles because they've been dragging in the other in the other bay, and not really very good. But there's our neighbours there, and I'm just going to go around the other side, straight through there, straight through there. This is what it looks like down there, over there, and sort of lighty colour brown there you can see is sand from a sandbank. So the neighbour there in his coffee. That was absolutely right above us. Absolutely right above us. Wow. And the dog downstairs is going absolutely bananas. There we are. That's all from us, just in case we get hit by lightning now. I'll switch this off. Bye.